Hi everyone. Welcome to Fun Gifts. I'm Jake.
I'm Adamari.
Today we'll be opening our HeroCrate. Woohoo! You ready for this, Adamari?
Yeah.
Alright, Milena opened the villain crate, so now we're gonna open up the HeroCrate.
Okay, I did this one.
Alright, you wanna do this part? So let's see what we got. No peeking. Whoa. What you gonna do first? That one? Alright. Whoa.
Now let's open it.
Alright, so what it is first? It's a Wolverine pop. Oh yeah. It's the bobblehead? Oh yeah, take it out, find out what the bobblehead. You wanna open it? Alright, you okay, ready?
Here we go.
You want the knife? No, here, I'll help you open it. Here. Like this. There it goes. See? Pull it out. Oh.
Pull it out.
It's falling out.
Here.
So cute one? His name is Wolverine. No, he's not a kitty. He's a Wolverine. See like this. See that? Wow. You like that one, Adamari?
My chicken.
No, wait a minute.
My turn.
My turn. Alright, what does Daddy always like to get you, Gita?
A toy.
Toy? What kind of toy?
A toy.
No, it's not a toy.
This toy.
My t-shirt. Oh yeah. Ta-da. See, it's Centennial. And then he's fighting Wolverine right here in the bottom. Alright, so let's go put this on. I'll be right back.
Oh! Now be back.
Now we're back. Ta-da!
My
See,
shirt?
you like my shirt? No, do you like my shirt? Wait a minute, do you like my shirt?
Yes.
Yeah? That's awesome, huh? Alright, so you want to open the next one? Your turn? Okay. What do you want to get? Alright, let's get everything out one time.
I have a picture.
Okay, first get a picture. See the mistake. And then you go up. Oh, it's a magnet. So here's a little magnet. It says adamantium. And Wolverine has it crossed out. Oh, we got our keychain, a Wolverine keychain. And then, that's a little tote bag. So when you go to Toys R Us or Walmart to buy toys, you can put all your superheroes in here. See? Ta-da! Hey. Say ta-da! Alright. You got our Wolverine, a tote bag, a keychain, then a little magnet, and yeah, you put him on his head. Alright, and a t-shirt. Louder.
Right.
Yeah, thank you, HeroCrate. Alright, thank you for watching.
And like,
Yes.
and like, and share.
And share.
Mm.